Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy, crunchy chickpeas. This is a great, yummy little snack that you can make. Something other than like chips. If you are craving something like salty to eat, this is a great little healthy snack that you can make, and it's super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. Now I'm going to show you how to make these in the air fryer. The same preparation will apply if you do it in the oven, and I'll briefly mention how to do it in the oven if you don't have an air fryer. But I love air fryer recipes. They're just super quick and easy, and they usually take far less time than cooking in the oven. Begin with some spices. Now the amount of spices don't have to be exact, and you can adjust these or add more or subtract some of these spices according to your taste. But I'm going to start with about 1/8 teaspoon of salt. You could always sprinkle on more salt at the end if you want them saltier. About 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. About 1/4 or 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, somewhere around there of ground black pepper. And then about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Again, these don't have to be exact. A lot of times I don't even measure, I just kind of shake it into the bowl of beans. And then I'm going to go ahead and just give this a little mix here. And then I have 1 can, this is about a 16-ounce can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And what I did is I just drained these in a colander, just rinsed them really well, and then I dried them in some paper towel. You want them to be kind of dry before you cook them. That will just help them get crispier. And then I have about a tablespoon, a couple teaspoons, tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just going to kind of sprinkle this on here. Or you could just do like a spray, like if you have a cooking spray, you can do that as well. And this is going to help them get a little bit crisper, and also it's going to help the seasonings to stick to them. And I'm just going to put these seasonings on here. And then I'm going to put my lid on this bowl. Let's give it a good shake. You could also just throw everything in like a little plastic bag and then shake it that way. Or you could just stir it. It just helps everything get evenly coated. There we go. Looking great. And just like that, the garbanzo beans or chickpeas are ready to be cooked. Now we're going to do this in the air fryer. And it's going to be somewhere between 12 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 Celsius. Or you can bake them on a pan in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's going to go for somewhere between 20 to 35 minutes. It'll take longer in the oven. So in this particular air fryer, you remove the basket, and this is a Secura brand air fryer. I really like this one. I'll put a link down below in the description box if you want to pick one of these up. I really like this. I've been using it for about 3 years now. And then after you have the basket out, we'll just take the chickpeas and put them in there, and then you want to just shake them till they're kind of like evenly spaced out and just like in one layer, just like that. And then I'll put the basket in place. I'll set my temp to 400, and then I'm going to do it for about 12 minutes to start, and at about the 6-minute mark I'm going to take it out and shake it around just so I can promote even cooking, and then put it back down. And again, after about 6 or 7 minutes, let's just take a peek. Looking good. I'm just going to give it a little shake like this. And then back in, and we'll cook it some more. And when the time is up, we'll take a look. Yeah. I'm going to grab one, blow on it. I'm just going to bite into it, see how crispy it is. If it's a little too soft, I'm just going to cook them a little bit longer. So good. I want them just a little bit crispier. So I'm going to go for a couple more minutes. Time's up again. Yeah. Looking awesome. All right, and then I'm gonna just take these and pour them in this little bowl here. And there we have it, crispy, crunchy chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Super easy to do, a great healthy snack that you can make. I did these in the air fryer. Total time it took to make these was under 20 minutes. Again, you can do them in the oven as well. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into these. Oh yeah.